Hello! This is a video course titled Automating IT Infrastructure with Puppet 5, published by Pact Publishing. My name is Alan Hone. I'm the instructor for this video course. I have over 20 years of experience as a software engineer, lead, manager, and architect. My current title is Lockheed Martin Fellow, which means that I contribute to the future technical direction for that organization. I am the author of other video courses with Pact Publishing, including Hands-on Infrastructure Automation with Ansible and Hands-on DevOps with Ansible. Over the course of my career, I have experience teaching on technical topics, including Java, Agile, and DevOps. As I have time, I also like to contribute to open source and maintain a blog and write other technical articles. The picture that you see on the left is one of my other hobbies. This is from a hiking trip. I also enjoy spending time with my family. For this video course, Automating IT Infrastructure with Puppet 5 will give you everything you need to install, configure, and then to get started using Puppet on your own projects. The course is divided into 6 sections. Section 1, Puppet Agent and Server, will look at installing, configuring Puppet, and we'll look at getting started in how to use it. In Section 2, Using Resources to Automate Systems, we'll look at the automation capabilities of Puppet, installing packages, configuring files, setting up services, as well as many other features that it has. In Section 3, Work with Classes and Modules, we'll look at organizing our Puppet code so that we can more easily reuse it and apply it to multiple systems in different ways. In Section 4, Factor and Hyra, we will look at those two tools which Puppet uses to collect information about our systems and to collect configuration information that we can use to better use Puppet to automate our systems. In Section 5, Configuring Files with Templates, we'll look at the embedded Puppet language. We'll look at how we can use it to build configuration files using configuration and other parameters in a way that makes it easy to create and maintain those files. And then finally, in Section 6, using PuppetDB to collect and report data, we'll look at how the PuppetDB tool collects all of the information about our nodes and about the automation that's been applied to them, and how we can use that to improve the Puppet code that we write. Throughout this whole course, you'll gain information about how to use Puppet, and you'll see numerous real-world examples as we install the Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana stack and get it up and running across a set of systems. There are only a couple prerequisites for you to have in order to use this course. The first is some kind of text editor. I use Atom. The other is a place to run automated IT infrastructure with Puppet. The course sample uses Vagrant with VirtualBox to create virtual machines, so you would just need one physical machine to host that, but you can take the same exact Puppet code and use it on a set of physical machines or on a set of machines in a cloud environment such as Amazon Web Services. That completes our introduction to automating IT infrastructure with Puppet 5. So let's get started. I look forward to seeing you in the first section.